guys, we're here at Alma de Ronda. It's near the plaza. It's actually just beside the plaza. And the back of it is already the sea. So, pwede mo magsuroy-suroy dito later on. I think, wait, Ronda is south, east, west. Southeast, west.
Southeast, southwest.
So, sunset is good here. West one. Right, sunset is there. Okay. So it's cloudy though, so it's not really that clear. But anyway, let's go ahead and tour around their place. So this is their function room. It's really huge. Because of COVID, wala pa nila gipa-occupy ni, but this is a very huge function hall. So if ever ma-resume na operations, 150 people can fit. Okay. So 150 people, and then this is the view. But I think they kept it from the wild, so we'll see. So since wala ta kalangoy sa Mualboal, we'll try to end the day here. And baaway sila. Lapu-Lapu versus Magellan. So medyo stressful ang among afternoon. Hopefully mabawi ra siya sa paglangoy-langoy. By the way, at Kasadja diri sa Ronda, Kasadja Aqua Park. So muna siya. Hello. Pwede din stayhan?
Pwede. Katong pikas.
Akong kamera usa mo lisod mabasa. Hello, I'm Nigel. Okay guys, let's go.
So guys,
Panakay na mo. Dito mo sa unahan. Sakay na mo unahan.
Ha? Ah.
Thank you. Si Councilor Pearl Ungab and family. Kids.
kadi na lagi sa kanila no?
Makalakang ka, ma'am?
Ha?
Okay ra ka? Sige.
Pita ko yan.
Basin mo lahus ka diha mga kuan ra ba nang gibutangan. Diha, okay.
Kadong.
Hala, murag nisagyad na siya. Pwede mo atras gamay, nisagyad na siya.
Alright, may driver.
Ha? Kitang duha. Okay. Gapans jud ka no?
Uy! Okay ra.
Magtupis mo.
Guys, kung ato ko maghubo, ano na maghubo na ang tao. Salamat sa Jai Mikael,
Councilor Pearl Ungab. Laban. Maligo ka, Joe.
Hindi, naligo na ako kanina.
Ligo ka ulit. Punta tayo sa malalim.
Taga-Sambuanga City. General Santos.
Ay!
Padainin niyo daghan day kay
Unsay? Okay ra mo diha. Napay ni Apas.
ay ang Chiriana. Natay magkaungkaw. Then environment dahil ang diri 100 ang
Per
kuan sa
sabot? Per person? Ah, okay.
Adi dong. Diri na dong.
Ed Sheeran! Pwede na dili scuba lang. Di naman shark look. Tidaghan man pagkatanaw. there's actually a sanctuary just near those mangroves. So I was swimming over this part here, and it's actually just around, I think, waist deep, and it's still low tide though, but klaro kayo guys, as in daghan kayo corals, and there's some fishes. I think there will be more fishes if it's high tide here. The corals are really good and daghan kay kag makita underwater, but some corals are damaged. I think because of kanang mabaw ra gani siya, maigo siya sa mga bangka. But I think you can also try, if you love free diving or scuba diving, you can try this area here. Medyo laom to dito ang naay kubo. Atong gituan na mo ganina. If you saw the video, dili na makita underwater because it's really deep. So moong niari ko diri sa mabaw para makita nato ang corals. So it's a must try if you want to be here. Visit Kasadja Aqua Park here in Ronda. So I have never swam in Ronda before, I believe. So this is my first time to be here, and I'm really impressed with their corals. So if you want to check them out, you can contact them through their LGU, or you can directly come here. They have 10 pesos fee for environment, and then they also have 100 peso fee so that you can go to the deep part over there and ride on the baruto or the pump boat. So I hope you guys enjoyed the underwater scene. Apologies it's so dark because there are a lot of dark clouds here. It's going to rain and it's almost night. It's 5:38, my lucky numbers. And so I'm already here in the deep, in the dark, alone, waiting for them to come back. They're already boarding the boat that we rode on when we went there. So I hope to see you guys soon when we travel. And don't forget to leave a like, ask questions in the comment section, and also subscribe if you want to show your support to my travel videos and other reviews and all the vlogs that I have produced. Please do also tap on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. If you have any requests or if you want brand promotions, simply email me. The email address is in the description box, and if you want to sponsor my travels, please do let me know. Thank you so much and have a great night, lovies. It's gonna rain really hard in a bit, so see you guys. Alright, so just a few swims away, down at the shore, right? So see you guys